Alright, this is how you make a cheap PA speaker / tornado siren. So you're going to get a cheap audio amplifier. You're going to get a PA horn. This is the Pyle PHSP4, 50 watts, 8 ohms. This was the speaker that I used in my last video, or in the homemade tornado siren video. And yeah, and then you need something to connect the amplifier to through Bluetooth. So yeah, bye.